Discover the benefits of energy healing and how it can help you overcome overwhelm. For the best energy healing, intuitive development, and functional medicine advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to be notified for when the next video is available. Hey, my name is Adam Fulmore. I'm an intuitive energy healer. I've helped out thousands of people all over the world overcome stress and overwhelm by using this simple technique of connecting with unconditional love. This helps people feel more mentally clear, balanced, free of stress, and it also helps even with physical health issues because what it's doing is it's energizing your cells to help speed up their healing, so therefore you feel better. I'm going to break down this exercise into 3 steps for you. First of all, what I want you to do is close your eyes and begin by taking a few deep breaths. So I'm going to do it 2 here with you, or you can just watch and then do it after. So I like to take about 3 deep breaths, putting the tip of my tongue on the roof of my mouth. This helps to center me and balance me out. Then what I want you to do once you've taken a few deep breaths is focus on the center of your chest and say to yourself, I am connected to the highest form of unconditional love, and I allow it to flow through me with ease and grace. That was step number 2. And so step number 3 is just notice how you feel. Pay attention to your body. Whatever comes up for you is perfect. Sometimes there can be tension that comes up, sometimes relaxation. It's all depending on what's going on with you. Tell me in the comments what you experienced by connecting with unconditional love. And like I said, there's no right or wrong answer. It's important to do this energy healing exercise every single day so you can receive the max amount of benefit from it. Because the more you do it, the more unconditional love will build up in your body and the better you will feel. If you have other health and stress concerns and would like my help to overcome them, pop on over to my website, intuitivehealthsolutions.com, and the link is in the description below. Like this video, be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.